Hey folks, Tim here with an update on the rehab in Granbury. We're going to take you in from the back door today and give you a different perspective. I need to back up here and show you the front. So we've got the initial exterior paint sprayed. It's still got to all be cut in and trimmed up. Still got shutters, mulch, front door, front post, all that to be painted yet. We're going to come on in here. We got a new AC unit installed, complete system. So it's got the new Freon in the home. Coming on in the back door. Come in, we've got the laundry room. Things are starting to be all pulled together now. Baseboards are going in. Coming in here to the master. Master's all assembled, looking nice. Got all the door hinges, doorknobs in. Got some nice touches in the closets with the stained clothing bars and trim, so that's looking good. Coming back in here to the master. Still got some work to do here this week. By the way, this is the end of week 5. So we're gonna be wrapping it up this next week, so they got a lot to do. Got a toilet to install, got the faucets, they're sitting right there. We gotta get mirrors installed. Here's the master closet as well with the new clothing bars on it. Coming back in here, we're gonna head back out to the main living area. And this looks really nice. We still have one more thing to do here. We've got to paint the fireplace. So we're going to paint it white. You can see the test color there, but that's going to help us brighten up this room because we have a porch over the front windows here, which, you know, make it kind of dark in here. So we're going to be redoing that. We'll be refinishing the mantle, and we'll be refinishing the fireplace screen as well. So then we come on out here. Notice we have all the new baseboards and stuff here now, makes it really nice. Coming in here to the front entryway, and then into the eat-in kitchen area. This is, as you remember from the very first video, we had a wall in it right in here we took out, so that opened it right up. And then here's what the kitchen's shaping up to look like. Really nice. Really nice. Got the granite in. Got the subway tile backsplash in. All the hardware's going in. Still got appliances coming up this week. Really, really coming together nicely. Still got a little baseboard work doing here. And then coming back in here in the bedrooms. Bedrooms pretty much come together here. We still got some windows to work on. Closet doorknob coming in here to the hall bath. We've got a little bit more work to do here. Mirrors, faucets, but we've got them here. Tall bars, toilets in. Refinishing the tub this week. The shower walls are done. And then back out here to the third bedroom. So, baseboards and stuff already done in here. Again, the custom closet work with tall bars, clothing bars, all look nice. And that pretty much wraps it up, folks. So next week should be the final video of the complete rehab, and then we have cleaning and staging scheduled for the following week. And we should have pictures and have this thing on the MLS, I'm hoping by the first week in September. And I don't think it's gonna last very long. So if you happen to know of anybody looking for a beautiful home in Pecan Plantation in Granbury, please send them my way and we'll get them in here and let them take a look at it. So until next week, have a great week. Go buy some houses.